Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way so the connection works reliably. Make sure your Hisense TV firmware supports Anyview Cast and your Android phone is updated. This reduces compatibility hiccups. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi, either 4 GHz or 5 GHz, because cross-network isolation blocks discovery. Then, on the TV, go to Settings, choose Network and Accessories, and turn Anyview Cast on. This exposes the TV for quick pairing. Now you initiate the actual cast from your Android device. Pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast, or navigate to Settings, right arrow Connected Devices, right arrow Cast. Your TV should appear by name. Tap the TV entry, and when the TV shows a pairing prompt, accept it. That establishes a secure session. If you don't see the TV, make sure both devices are on the same network, toggle Wi-Fi on your phone, and restart the TV's Anyview service to refresh discovery. Finish by optimizing the session and handling common faults. Once casting, choose Mirror or Extend depending on your need, and set resolution to match the TV for crisp video. This avoids scaling artifacts. Make sure audio routes to the TV via cast controls so sound syncs with video. If casting fails, reboot the router, disable any VPN on the phone, and update the TV and phone OS. This one step often resolves stubborn pairing and playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.